And we've got some breaking news coming in from the domestic front after many days of war coverage. Some political news coming in from Bihar now. Nitish Kumar, the current Chief Minister of Bihar, may be on his way out. He is all set to file his Rajya Sabha nomination soon, is what NDTV's political team is hearing. It's a big political shift that's likely in Bihar. It's the big holy news break. The BJP may claim the Chief Minister's post if Nitish moves to the upper house of Parliament. The JDU could get a Deputy Chief Minister under a new formula that NDTV believes is under discussion. Power sharing talks have intensified from Patna to Delhi between the BJP and the JDU, the alliance partners that rule Bihar. The BJP leadership is contemplating a new chief ministerial face for the state of Bihar, in which the NDA won a handsome victory last year. Nishant Kumar may get an active political role. Speculation of Nishant Kumar as a deputy chief minister. No official confirmation from the BJP or the JDU just yet. I have to say that this is all unofficial at this point of time, but NDTV's political team in Bihar and Delhi confirms that the buzz is very real, and it is quite likely that Nitish Kumar is moving to the upper house of Parliament, vacating his chief ministerial chair and making way for a new generation, most likely from the BJP. Let's go straight across to NDTV's Prabhakar Kumar live from Patna. Prabhakar, new chief minister loading in Bihar, old chief minister likely to go to the Rajya Sabha.
Yeah, and this the biggest political development of Bihar happened on the Holy Day. You can see my face colored here, but we had to rush to the office because of this speculation which was actually making round. And Nitish Kumar may be on his way out, though it is officially not confirmed, but it is likely that he might file his nomination tomorrow for the Rajya Sabha. Remember, tomorrow is the last day for the filing of the nomination for the Rajya Sabha. So he may be on his way out. The Chief Minister's chair would most likely go to the BJP, and his son Nishant Kumar would make a debut in politics as a Deputy Chief Minister. Remember, in the earlier formula which we had in Bihar, Nitish Kumar was the Chief Minister and there were two Deputy Chief Ministers from BJP. So that would in all probability be repeated, and JDU will have the two Deputy Chief Minister. One of them would be Nishant Kumar, who has been away from the politics so far, but he would be making his entry, a debut into the politics. That is what the political speculation is all about today.
Prabhakar, nothing official coming out from the JDU or the BJP at this point of time. We understand that some kind of power sharing formula is under discussion. Is that likely to be an easy conversation, or could there be some friction there?
If Nitish Kumar has decided as to quit the chair of the Chief Minister, then it would be certainly easy, because then the BJP would want that the Chief Minister's chair. What we are learning from the JDU sources is that JDU did not wanted that Chief Minister's chairs to go to BJP, and they wanted to retain it for some other member of their own party, which probably BJP has not agreed upon. So the Chief Minister's chair might actually go to BJP, and the same formula which the present government has as to JDU having the Chief Minister and the BJP having the Deputy Chief Minister, that role will be reversed. So the BJP will now have the Chief Minister here in Bihar, and the JDU will have two Deputy Chief Ministers. That is what we are learning from our sources here.
Stay with me, Prabhakar. Manoranjan Bharti, Managing Editor, is also live with me. मनोरंजन जी, क्या सुनने में आ रहा है? नीतीश कुमार राज्यसभा जाएंगे, नया चीफ मिनिस्टर आएंगे बिहार में. अभी तक ये सारा स्पेक्यूलेशन है, कुछ ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट नहीं आया, लेकिन ग्रेपवाइन पे आप क्या सुन रहे हैं?
देखिए, कल तक हम और प्रभाकर रिपोर्ट कर रहे थे कि निशांत कुमार आएंगे राज्यसभा, और उसकी चर्चा हो रही थी, और दूसरा आदमी कौन आएगा उसके बारे में बात हो रही थी. लेकिन अब जो है स्थिति बदल चुकी है. हुआ ये है कि बीजेपी के जेडीयू के बड़े नेता आज एक कार्यकारी अध्यक्ष दिल्ली आए. दिल्ली में उनकी बीजेपी के कुछ बड़े नेताओं से मुलाकात हुई. उसके बाद वो वापस पटना गए और सीधे मुख्यमंत्री का आवास गए, और उसके बाद से ये खबर आने लगी कि नीतीश कुमार ही राज्यसभा में आएंगे. किसी को इसके बारे में कोई भनक नहीं थी। मैंने एक नीतीश कुमार के एक सुजातीय नेता है, कुर्मी नेता है, उनको फोन किया, उनके नाम की भी चर्चा थी कि शायद वो राज्यसभा में आएंगे। तो उन्होंने कहा कि मनोरंजन, ये आज जो है वो सदमे का दिन है, स्थिति बदल गई है, दिल्ली से आदेश आया है और सत्ता बदल रही है। तो फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने बोला कि बाकी आप समझदार है, आप समझ जाइए। तो मैंने बोला सर मैं समझ गया, आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं। तो ये है बिहार की कहानी, और बिहार की कहानी में होली के दिन जिसमें कि आज हमारे और सब बिहारियों के प्रभाकर के भी रंग नहीं उतरे हैं, लेकिन मुख्यमंत्री बदल रहे हैं। और जो बेटा जिसके बारे में कह रहे थे कि राज्यसभा में आएगा, वो डिप्टी सीएम होगा और बीजेपी का मुख्यमंत्री होगा। बीजेपी का मुख्यमंत्री में निश्चित रूप से जो सम्राट चौधरी है उनका नाम सबसे आगे है, क्योंकि यदि आप एक कुर्मी नेता को हटाते हैं तो एक ओबीसी ही आपको बनाना पड़ेगा। वहां पे कोयरी जाति से आते हैं, लेकिन बीजेपी आपको हमेशा सरप्राइज करती है। आपने राजस्थान में देखा, आपने मध्य प्रदेश में देखा, यहाँ तक कि आपने बीजेपी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष के नाम में देखा। तो कोई भी बन सकता है, लेकिन देखते हैं क्या होता है।
Prabhakar, what is on Nitish Kumar's mind right now? Would he be okay with such a move? Is this his choice? Is it somebody else's decision? Explain that to us.
See, I had a word when this actually news started making round. I had a word with very few senior leaders of the JDU, and what they told me that it's the decision of Nitish Kumar. Nitish Kumar wanted to actually give way to the new generation. He now realizes that he's not physically and mentally so well that he can actually, he should continue on this chair. So he wanted a graceful exit. So this is his formula of a graceful exit from the Chief Minister. Remember, Nitish Kumar has been the longest serving Chief Minister. His party leaders, however, are divided on this, and many of them have been for the last 2 days trying to convince him that this would not be a right decision. This would rather be a suicidal decision, politically speaking. But Nitish Kumar somehow is adamant on this particular decision, that he would actually like to go to Rajya Sabha, have a much leisure life there, relaxed life there, rather than sitting on the Chief Minister's chair here in Bihar. And as far as his son's debut in the politics is concerned, he has kept bum on that. His party leaders have proposed that his son should be entering politics and should be given a reasonably responsible position, and Nitish Kumar kept mum on that. So that is kind of agreement on what his party leaders have proposed so far.
Okay, so we do know that Nitish Kumar has not kept very good health for a long time. So this may be a dignified exit from the Chief Minister's chair for him. Manoranjan ji, नीतीश कुमार के साथ इन टच कौन है? उनसे कौन बात कर रहा है अभी? उनके मन में क्या हो रहा है अभी? आपको क्या लगता है?
देखिए, दो तरह के वहां पे रिपोर्ट है। एक जो है कि जो अपर कास्ट लीडरशिप है, वो जो उनकी जाति के नेता है, जब आप उनसे बात करोगे ओबीसी नेताओं से, उनके जो इर्द गिर्द है, उनका कहना है कि वो जो हाईजैक हो चुके हैं एक वो अपर कास्ट नेताओं के जरिए। लेकिन हमें बहुत सारे नेताओं को ये लगता था कि जब तक निशांत कुमार है वो अपने पिताजी को प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे, उनको तब तक वो रखेंगे चीफ मिनिस्टर। इतनी जल्दी ये सब चीज होगा, ये किसी के समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि ये इतनी जल्दी कैसे हुआ। नीतीश कुमार ने ये निर्णय कैसे लिया, इसमें निशांत की क्या भूमिका है। यदि नीतीश कुमार छोड़ते हैं मुख्यमंत्री का पद और राज्यसभा में आते हैं, तो एक युग का अंत होगा बिहार में, और मुझे लगता है कि इसके साथ ही जेडीयू का भी अंत की शुरुआत आप कर सकते हैं। एंड ऑफ द बिगिनिंग जिसको आप इंग्लिश में कहते हैं, उसकी शुरुआत हो जाएगी। एक पार्टी धीरे धीरे जो है वो खत्म होती जाएगी। आधे लोग बीजेपी में जाएंगे और जो ओबीसीज है वो शायद आरजेडी में चले जाए।
Manoranjan Bharti and Prabhakar Kumar breaking the story first here on NDTV. Thank you very much for that. Very important that this news is coming out on Holi, which is obviously very auspicious, and it is no coincidence that this is coming out on Holi, because the people who want this story to come out want it to come out on Holi, because there are all kinds of connections that will be made there as well. But we told you first, and we will continue to report this big Holi Day buzz from the beautiful state of Bihar, that its veteran Chief Minister Nitish Kumar may be hanging up his chief ministerial boots and heading to Delhi to take office in the Rajya Sabha. If that happens, well, it's a big shift. Who will the next Chief Minister be? We don't know yet. We've just shown you what the names are that are doing the rounds, but we'll have to wait until a decision is made. All the big political news breaks on that will be first here, I promise you, on NDTV. Very quick break, much more coming up on the other side.